Namaste everyone, my name is Deeksha Ramakrishna and I welcome you all to the 8th session from Jathi Composition Series. In the previous session, we learnt about the first approach, that is modifying an existing Jathi. In this session, we will be learning how to compose a Jathi from the scratch. So without further ado, let's begin. So before we begin the actual composition, we have to keep few things in mind, right? Few factors, and those are Kaala of the Jathi, right? And Kaala is very important. And we should also look into the symmetry and structure of Jathi, which we have seen in the previous session. So I would like to do this in Adi Tala, and Adi Tala taking the third speed. We have 32 aksharas in third speed of Adi Tala, right? So let's begin with that. And I would like to start with Ta Hata Jhamtari Ta by giving few gaps, that is, those gaps are called as karves. We have seen this also, right? So giving few karves and trying to follow the structure wherein first line of the Jathi will have almost entire avartanam, the second line will have half of the avartanam, and the third line will have 1/4. So this is generally used and it's not mandatory as such. So starting with the first line of Jathi, Ta hata jham tari ta ga ta kuta jham tata kuta jham kidadagadara jham. So this is how I want to frame my Jathi. So let's start. Dalang guta kadhi kuta kata dhigina tom ta hata jham tari ta ga ta kuta jham tata kuta jham kidadagadara jham. So one line of the Jathi is completed. I would like to repeat this again. Dalang guta kadhi kuta kata dhigina tom ta hata jham tari ta ga ta kuta jham tata kuta jham kidadagadara jham. So this was the first line, and we can repeat this twice, right? Following the symmetry, right side and left side. So it will be Ta kuta jham tari tai ta kuta jham tata kuta jham kidadagadara jham. So kidadagadara jham, tadiginato, tagadara, these are all the same Sholkattus. So you can use either tadiginatum or kidadagadara jham or any Sholkattu that you would like to. So singing two lines together will be Dalang guta kadhi kuta kata dhiginatum ta hata jham tari ta ga ta kuta jham tata kuta jham kidadagadara jham ta hata jham tari tai ta kuta jham tata kuta jham kidadagadara jham. Now coming to the second line of Jathi. Second line of Jathi, I would like to keep it short, that is half of the avartana. So ta hata jham tari ta kidadagadara jham ta kuta jham tari tai kidadagadara jham. So we covered both left and right. So ta hata jham tari ta kidadagadara jham ta kuta jham tari tai kidadagadara jham is our second line. Coming to third line, I would like to keep it 1/4 of the entire avartanam. That is ta hata jham tari ta kuta jham tari. Right? It is 1/4 of the avartana. Ta hata jham tari is 1/4 of the actual avartana. To repeat it on the left side also, ta kuta jham tari. This is how we do it. So we cover both right left and right left for all three lines. So shall we sing this together? Dalang kuta kadhi kuta kata dhigina tom ta hata jham tari ta ga ta kuta jham tata kuta jham kidadagadara jham ta hata jham tari tai ta kuta jham tata kuta jham kidadagadara jham ta hata jham tari ta kidadagadara jham ta kuta jham tari tai kidadagadara jham ta hata jham tari ta kuta jham tari. So we have finished the first half of the structure of Jathi. Now coming to the next section, that is Muktaya section. So in Muktaya section, I would like to start with, say, taditta ditta takadiku kidadagadara jham, right? So I would like to repeat this 3 times. Now we can either calculate the total number of aksharas which is present in this pattern, or we can simply start from the Sama of the Tala and see where it takes us. So that if we have some extra aksharas pending, so we can do our usual routine, right? We have to put it in the starting of the Tala and see how many aksharas are left, and we have to add Sholkattus for it. So let's begin. So taditta ditta takadiku kidadagadara jham tadittai takadiku kidadagadara jham taditta takadiku kidadagadara jham. So this is what I would like to keep my Muktaya as. So let's begin. I'll start from Sama itself. So first beat of the Tala. Taditta takadiku kidadagadara jham tadittai takadiku kidadagadara jham taditta takadiku kidadagadara jham. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counts. That means 6 into 4, 24 counts pending. So what do we have to do? This gap we have to take it in the first part of the ThaaLa. That will be, so we have to leave 6 counts in the beginning and then start with this Muktaya. So we'll try this approach as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tad dittaga dittaga takadiku kiddagadari kidjum tad dittayi takadiku kiddagadari kidjum tad dittaga takadiku kiddagadari kidjum tam. So now we know that we have to leave 6 gaps in the beginning of ThaaLa. We know that there are 6 counts to be filled before we start Muktaya, right? In the first half, we end with ta hata jham tari ta kuta jham tari. So which is equivalent to 4 counts already. So out of 6, 4 counts are already done. So we just have to add 2 more counts of Sholkattu. That is probably jham tari kitataka will do, right? So ta hata jham tari ta kuta jham tari kitataka tadittaga. So we can start Muktaya from there. That is the 7th count of the ThaaLa. So shall we begin from the top? Dalangu takadhiku takatadhikinatum ta hatajam tari ta ga ta kutajam tatakutajam kiddagadari kidjam ta hatajam tari tayi ta kutajam tatakutajam kiddagadari kidjam ta hatajam tari ta kiddagadari kidjam ta kutajam tari tai kiddagadari kidjam ta hatajam tari ta kutajam tari jam tari kitataka dittaga takadiku kiddagadari kidjam dittayi takadiku kiddagadari kidjam dittaga takadiku kiddagadari kidjam ta. We usually compose jatis in even number of avartanams, that is 4, 6, 8 and so on. But there are few jatis which are composed in odd number of avartanams as well, like 5 and 7. But it is recommended that you compose jatis in even number of avartanams. We have seen how to compose a jati in Adi ThaaLa, right? The same concept can be applied to all other ThaaLas as well. So please experiment with all other ThaaLas to get a better hold on Jathi composition. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section below, or you can also contact me on Facebook and Instagram. I would definitely like to answer all your queries. We have come to an end of Jathi Composition Series. I hope this series was helpful for you all to understand the concept of Jathi composition with respect to theory and practical. If you like the content in this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon for more updates. And if you're uploading any of your compositions on any platforms, please do not forget to tag me. I will be watching them and share them on my wall. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you in the upcoming series. Until then, keep dancing.